Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I want to open up another one of these 2022 Bowman Mega Box boxes. You can get these at Target.com. I've been buying them here and there. This is the third time I bought from them. Let's see if we can get a sit card. We've done pretty good on them, so that's why I bought them. Alright. Alright, the box empty. Let's get some heat here. There's our Mojo packs. I'll save those for the end. And then you got 4 of these Bowman packs. These are not true retail packs. They're just ones they put in these mega boxes. Alright, Kyle Mueller rookie, Spencer Strider rookie. That's not a bad rookie. Otani, JD Martinez, Francisco Lindor, Alexander Vargas, Benjamin Bailey, Bowman first, Adley Rutschman, ooh, Jackson Chourio. That's a nice Bowman chrome there. And an Alan Cerda. So out of the just the no-hit packs, we got a really nice hit. Jackson Chourio, Bowman first. That is probably the best guy you can get out of this stuff. So very happy with that. That, without a doubt, if that gets a PSA 10, that more than pays for this entire box. Alright, next pack. Joey Gallo, Jose Altuve, Charlie Blackmon, Bobby Dalbec, Adolis, Garrett Mitchell, Robert Dominguez first, Darren Baker first, Denzar Guzman Bowman first, and a Raquelvin De Castro. So getting some Bowman firsts in these non-retail mega box packs. Otto Lopez rookie, Reed Detmers rookie, O'Neal Cruz, that's a nice rookie, Ronald Acuna, Giancarlo Stanton, we got Colton Cowser, Adele Amador, Adrian Sugetsi, Bowman first, Alejandro Pai, Bowman first, and Yohendrick Pinango. I don't think I have this Bowman first. And let's see our O'Neal Cruz rookie. Okay, one last of these. Nolan Arenado, Mr. Roboto. Cody Bellinger, Joey Votto, another Mr. Roboto. Bo Bichette, Anthony Rizzo, Cooper Kinney, Alejandro Pai again first, Dario Lopez Bowman first, Luis Verdugo Bowman first, chrome, and a Cooper Kinney again. That's some little dust particles on there. And now for the mega packs. Do this one first, I guess. This one will get the Mojo refractors. Alright, we start off with Pedro Pineda, Jack Suwinski, first Bowman, Matt Manning, Rookie of the Year favorite, Reginald Preciado, and Jeremy Vargas, Bowman first. Alright, and for the last pack. Show the odds already. Felix Valerio, all kinds of Brewers in this pack here. Ooh, George Valera. I don't know if it's Jorge Valera or George Valera. That's a nice Bowman first. Yoelqui Cespedes, Curtis Mead, Bowman first, and Estevan Machado. So a bunch nice, and this one's a nice one too. Curtis Mead, and definitely Jorge Valera. Bowman first Mojo, and Felix Valerio. So, pretty good box there. 2 cards that might single-handedly pay for the whole box if they get PSA 10s. Curtis Mead, Estevan Machado first, Felix Valerio, Jeremy Vargas, Jorge Valeria, Luis Verdugo, Jack Suwinski, O'Neill Cruz rookie, Alejandro Pai, Denzer Guzman, Alan Cerda, and Jackson Churios. So those are definitely my favorite 2 from there. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.